respected Meenakshi Lekhi ji, dear friend Siddharth Balachandran ji, His Highness, our friend Satish Sivan ji, His Highness Mirza Hussain Al Saik ji, dear distinguished delegates, esteemed friends from India, South Asia, West Asia, and beyond. I'm excited to be a part of the inaugural of this India-West Asia dialogue being held at Dubai. Today, we will be talking on various issues which goes far beyond energy, for which we generally are more concerned with. We are meeting at a moment when economic geography is being redrawn, technology is reshaping power equations, and traditional trade routes are being reimagined. In this changing world, India-West Asia relations, particularly with the UAE, Qatar, and other nations of the region, including Israel, have acquired strategic depth going far beyond energy trade. IMEC, India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor symbolizes not merely an infrastructure project, but a new development and connectivity philosophy. Imagine the shape of global economics if Red Sea Suez vulnerability could be bypassed. If India, South Asia, and then Europe transit time gets reduced, logistic risk concentration gets reduced. We move away from a country-centric infrastructure project, what we call Belt Road, to a multimodal approach with efficiency involving all the nations. There will be no debt trap. Sea route would become more efficient. Rail, where land transit saves time, and there is no forced mega infrastructure across the unstable zones. Move away from energy dependence to strategic partnership, to investment and manufacturing, food and energy, technology and innovations, logistic ports and connectivities, diaspora and human capital. All these things should be discussed, and I hope this conversation happening at this moment will help us going towards some meaningful understanding of the issues involved. Today, UAE has emerged as India's key partner, key economic gateway to West Asia, a major investor in India's infrastructure and manufacturing, a trusted partner in fintech, logistics, and digital trade. India-UAE CEPA demonstrates how trade agreements can support production and value additions, not merely imports. Dear friends, today in this forum, as Siddharth ji has just mentioned, that it is just a beginning, a start. How the people and the nations in this region can come forward, cooperate with each other. Technology, trade, and strategic autonomy. South Asia stakes in India's West Asia cooperation, development ethics, growth with stability. They will all be the part of the discussions, and they should be part of the discussions in the future events also. Dear friends, I hope we will not only be talking about the trade, technology, but we'll also be talking about, I think one session is there on cricket as well. So I thank this opportunity to be given to me, and I'm very happy to be part of this whole conversation. I hope you will enjoy, and will all be able to reach to certain understandings for the development of the region, and will help in making this earth a better place to live. Thank you.